Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Shorts small screen. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So probably the problem would be just for phone screen to not be compatible to be horizontal or horizontal. And basically, if you get to put your to change the orientation of your phone, that would also change the orientation of the shorts, and basically it will start appearing to be small. And basically the thing that we need to try is just to lock your phone. For example, just go here and lock the orientation of your phone, and basically after that you can go and watch the shorts while you are doing any other activity, etc. Otherwise, you can try to watch these shorts in watch mode or in the regular video layout or view. And to do so, you will need just to click on share, and you will need to have first the link of these shorts. And basically by having the link of the shorts, you can go to your web browser. So for example, here I'm just going to a new tab, and from here you will need just to paste the link of the short, and after that you can try to make it to be watch. So here we are just going to change the shorts part or shorts part and make it to be watch. So by clicking on enter, let's go again, and as you can see now, we will have our shorts that will be in YouTube mode or as a regular video. And this is how you can do it. And by that even you will have the same size on your here, and then you can go for a full screen, etc. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.